I'm Mac Mallon with Blue Coast Realty in Sarnia, Ontario. Today, we're sharing essential home maintenance steps to help you get ready for winter. Preparing your home now can prevent damage, reduce energy costs, and keep your family comfortable through the colder months. Start by scheduling a furnace inspection to make sure your heating system is running safely and efficiently. Replace the filter and plan to change it monthly during the heating season. Next, seal your windows and doors to prevent heat from escaping, using caulking or weather stripping, and consider installing storm windows for added protection. Clean out your gutters and inspect the roof. Remove any leaves or debris to prevent ice dams from forming. While you're at it, check the shingles for damage in areas that might leak once snow starts to melt. Shut off and drain all outdoor water lines, disconnect hoses, and make sure no water is left in the faucets or pipes that could freeze and burst. Check insulation in your attic, basement, and crawl spaces. Gaps or thin spots in insulation can drive up heating bills and reduce comfort throughout the home. Test all your smoke and carbon monoxide detectors with the furnace running more often. It's especially important that these are working properly and have fresh batteries. Also, prepare for emergencies. Stock your home with flashlights, blankets, bottled water, and backup heat sources in case of a power outage. At Blue Coast Realty, we always recommend homeowners in Sarnia take a proactive approach. Book any needed contractors early to avoid seasonal delays. Walk your property and look for issues like loose siding, cracks in the foundation, or blocked vents. Create a maintenance calendar so you don't forget important tasks. And if you have questions or need referrals to reliable local service providers, our team is here to help. Winter in Sarnia can be intense, but with a little preparation, your home can stay safe, efficient, and cozy all season long. Contact Blue Coast Realty today for trusted advice and personalized support to keep your property in great shape this winter.